Hello everyone, welcome to ICBT Consultant. This is Qaisar Abbas, Primavera P6 trainer and consultant. In today's video, we will download and install Primavera P6 Professional 25.12. Step by step, let's begin. First of all, we will open edeliveryoracle.com. And here we will create a free account. Click on create account. And we will add the required information, email ID, password. I have already created an account. We will go back and sign in. Click on sign in. And here we will add email ID. Click on next. And here we will add password. Click on sign in. And here we will add passcode. You can get a passcode from your mailbox. Next, verify. And here we will type Primavera P6. So here we will select P6, Primavera P6 Professional Project Management. We want to download latest release of Primavera P6 25.12. So double click on 25.12. Next, go to view item, next continue. And we want to download Primavera P6 Project Management software, next continue. And you can read this information. After reading, check this option and continue. So we want to download only Primavera P6 software, so uncheck this option and double click on 01 zip. It will take 5 to 10 minutes. And now you can see the file has been downloaded. Next we will extract this file. Right click, extract all, next extract. Next we will open this folder and extract again, extract all. Next we want to start installation. Right click, run as administrator, yes. If you have not installed before old release of Primavera P6, this option will not show. I have already Primavera P6 old release. Here you can see this option. If you want to replace the old release, we will check this option. If you don't want to replace old release, we will uncheck this option. Click on OK, install. Click on OK. And here we want to create a new database. Click on add, and we want to create a new database. Click here, we in driver type we will select P6 Professional Standalone SQLite. And there are two options: add a connection to an existing standalone database, and second one, we want to create a new database, so we will use second option, add a new standalone database. Here we will add database name. Database name is Primavera P6 25.12. So we will select second option, click on next. Here we will add the password admin, confirm password is also admin. Click on next, uncheck this option, and next we will save this file. We want to save in drive D, so database name is Primavera P6 25.12, and next save. Click on save, OK. Close this window. Go to search window, right here Primavera P6. So here you can see old release of Primavera P6. We want to open latest release of Primavera P6 25.12. Open. And here you can see our database name is Primavera P6 25.12. Login name is admin, and password is also admin. Click on here you can also change the language, so click on connect. Click on OK. Here you can see database Primavera P6 Professional 25.12. Go to help, about P6 Professional, Primavera P6 Professional 25.12 is ready for working. Thank you so much for watching this video.